expected of them when they are around others, and they are learning about give and take. Outcome 1 means that we want children to have positive social relationships.
So in thinking about the video, a few things, like what struck you about it, how do you think it might be useful for families, and also if families don't have the opportunity to actually see the video, is there language that was used that you thought, geez, like that really helped make sense of that outcome, or now I really understand what they were talking about?
I think they need to see the video. I think the video, I mean, the language was fine, but the video, to me, conveyed more of what we're talking about.
Mm-hmm.
They can relate to it, because that's the whole thing. We're trying to make sure they can relate to it. So I think having the visual is definitely important.
Mm-hmm.
The language was easy to understand, but definitely they need to see the videos.
So you thought it was the language and just the images, the actual video, seeing what it looks
Right.
like was really
Yes.
helpful to you.
Yes.
Sort of brought it to life, literally.
Yes.
Literally.
Yeah.
You talked a little bit about, I think both of you talked a little bit about how you thought it was a good model of what early intervention can look like. Do you want to talk a little bit about that? Why that was important, or why it might be important when we're talking about early childhood outcomes?
For families who are just coming into it, that's what I would like to speak on. To see that it relates to home and in the school.
Mm-hmm.
I think they have this scary idea of the unknown. You don't know what you don't know.
Mm-hmm.
And having the picture and the video kind of translates them what to expect. So yeah, I think the video definitely helps with that.
That idea that it sort of sets some expectation, like this is what it can look like.
Yes.
Right.
I agree.
Yeah. Was there any language that they used in the video that really struck you, that you thought that was a good way to explain that? Or
I think my favorite part was they gave multiple examples of what each outcome could look like. It wasn't just like 2 or 3, no, it was multiple. And you actually saw there what it would look like. And you saw it with infants and then you saw it with preschoolers. I liked that a lot.